Good morning, everyone, especially to our coaches and participants. We'll now start our info session. Today, we will discuss the information needed as we proceed with the quiz B on Thursday and Friday. First, the Inter-School Mathematics Quiz Bee is an annual event that will be held on March 23 to 24 at UPV Untitled Chapter, UPV Iloilo City Campus. The University of the Philippines Visayas Mathematics Circle is a university-wide organization composed of BS Applied Mathematics students of UPV and other interested students who have met the specific qualifications. Since 1998, the organization has continued to uphold the beauty of mathematics by conducting scholastic yet exciting activities inside and outside the university. For this year's theme, we have Exploring the Modern World with Mathematics. Mathematics has been an important part of human life, and humans have come to recognize the importance of math and its application to the many elements of human life to improve the way of living as we move forward to greater heights in terms of technological advancement. For this quiz, we have the topics for our elementary category. For art, we have arithmetic, geometry, basic algebra, basic statistics, and measurement. For our junior and senior high school levels, we'll have general mathematics, which is composed of arithmetic, algebra, and geometry, added by trigonometry, statistics and combinatorics, and lastly, basic and advanced calculus for additional for senior high school levels. For our awards, we have, for the first place, we will have 3,000 pesos plus trophy and certificates and a full ride 100% scholarship for our UPV MC Math Camp. The UPV MC Math Camp is a math camp which will include lectures for our students. And for the second place, we'll have 2,000 pesos plus trophy and certificates. And for third place, we'll have 1,000 peso plus trophy and certificates. Additionally, certificate of participation shall be awarded to all participants and advisors. Coaches may also request a certificate of appearance from any MathO member. For our team category, the first place will have 6,000 pesos plus trophy and certificates and a full ride scholarship for UPV MC Math Camp. For second place, they will have 4,000 pesos plus trophy and certificates, and third place will have 2,000 pesos plus trophy and certificates. Registration fees. For the individual category, they will pay 550 pesos upon registration. This includes the snacks for both contestant and coach. For the team category, the whole team will pay 550 pesos, which will include their snacks for both team and coach. We will also accept walk-in registration, given that the participants will be in our list priority. And the payment for the registration fee will be on-site upon registration. We will give receipts naman for the registration. For the schedule of events, for March 23, we'll start a registration at 8 o'clock to 8:30 a.m. and proceed with the opening program at 8:30 to 9 o'clock a.m. And the contest proper for elementary team will start at 9 o'clock a.m., followed by the awarding by 10:30 a.m. to 11. The next, we'll have the registration once again for the junior high school by 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m., followed by the opening program and then the contest proper. For March 24, we will start a registration at 7 o'clock a.m. This is for the senior high school level, which is followed by the opening program by 7:30 a.m. and the contest proper will follow and will start at 8 o'clock a.m. and will end at 11:30 a.m. Good morning, everyone. If you have queries on concerns, you may raise it up and we will answer it. Thank you. Once again, if there are any concerns, you may raise it up. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. What are your health protocols during the event?
Thank you for
Good
the
morning po.
question. Yes po. So for this question, I will answer it as part of the logistics committee. We are handling the health protocol and emergency plan for the quiz. So I'm sharing my screen now, and as you can see, to help us safely and reduce the risk of COVID-19 transmission, we have to observe this health protocol and prospective emergency plan just in case of emergency. So for health protocols, before the event, we are all making sure that we disinfect chairs, tables, and other materials, including pencil pens, the papers, etc., that will be used for the competition. We also plan to distance all chairs by at least 1 meter apart. We will also provide alcohol at the entrance and even at the registration area of the venue. Open windows and doors to ventilate the venue and common areas. And then after the event, and during actually the event, we encourage the use of face masks, but we do not obligate participants and the quiz the organizing team to do so. We also make sure that, like I said, alcohol will be provided, and we will make sure that everyone who enters the event venue will have to use the alcohol that we'll be providing. We will also follow appropriate respiratory etiquette, which includes covering for coughs and sneezes. We will try to avoid close contact with people who may be showing symptoms of sickness. And we'll also make sure to, like I said, to check if those who are joining the competition are in good health condition as well. So food distribution, which will be done by the organizing committee, will follow CDC guidelines. And we also encourage the use of filtering face pieces. Most important of all, if you or your members, your team members, your coaches, or anyone in your participating team exhibit COVID-19 symptoms such as fever, sore throat, fatigue, shortness of breath, or dry cough, we encourage you to notify us so that we will be able to be cautious of this and also help in case some unfortunate event may happen, and also to avoid exposure of the other participants to any one of you who may be exhibiting COVID-19 symptoms. So that is all for the health protocols. And then lastly, for emergency plan, since the event will be held at the UPV Little Theater, we are going to utilize these following emergency contacts. So for the following contacts, this will also be available on the event venue for easy access to all members, participants, and the organizing committee. And we also encourage that you save these following contact informations in advance for your own reference. So that is all for the health protocol and emergency plans for the MathO 𝙄𝙉𝙏𝙀𝙀 2023. Thank you.
Additionally po, we will require po the mga minor na students to submit a parent's consent upon registration, which I will send the document po sa emails after this info session. Thank you.
Good morning. I would like to clarify po kasi before we have the junior high or the senior high mayroong individual category. Ngayon po ba sa elementary mayroon din po?
Ngayon pa wala pong individual for the elementary, team only po siya.
Okay, noted po. At the same time po, can we register pa po ba? Hindi pa po.
Pwede pa po. Pwede po until tonight po yung online registration, and meron pong walk-in registration po on the 23 and 24.
Thank you so much.
Good morning. I would like to ask po if do we have a recommended dress code for the competition?
Good morning po. There will be required po namin na for men there will be magsusot po dapat sila ng pants, and for same with girls. Avoid po natin yung mga shorts po and pero optional po ang mag-uniform talaga.
Thank you so much.
Regarding po Sir Mark Paul's question, regarding po sir sa question nyo, if a coach that is registered cannot come to the day, the participant can bring another coach po. We will still acknowledge po, basta mag-register lang po sila. Ayun lang po yung sir. During the quiz B, additionally, there's someone that raised a question: what are the materials the participants must bring? So, um, the participants must bring a parent's consent, their ID, and extra ball pen or pencil. Ayan lang po yung needed na dalhin. Thank you.
Sir, regarding po sa parents' consent, do you have a form for that?
Yes po, magpo-provide po kami after ng info session na po at neto.
Thank you.
Miss Leah Shaka will send po the parents' consent in a while po. Are there questions po ba for our rules? May nag-ask po kasi ilang points each round. There will be 10 questions each round po for the easy, average, and difficult. There will be 10 questions each po. And each question is worth 3 points for the easy, 5 points for the average, and 7 points for the difficult. Good morning po, Sir Julio. It's okay po to submit the reply slip in the day of the contest since we accept walk-in registrations naman po. For the materials being used po for the quiz B, we will use whiteboard and marker po, which will be sanitized by us as mentioned earlier. And also for the scratch paper and pencil, we will provide it po to keep it sanitary. Thank you. Are there any further questions pa po? If none, that is all po. The rules and regulations will be are stated in the letter po and will be further discussed in the contest proper po.
Sir, for the non-winning coaches po, mayroon po bang certificate of participation or attendance to signify that we have been to the competition?
Yes po, there will be a certificate of participation po for everyone po for the non-winners po.
Okay po.
And also for the
Kasi-
coaches po, we will provide a certificate of attendance po sa kanila.
Yes po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
All right, thank you everyone again for attending the information session of the MathO Quiz B 2023. So before we wrap up and end the meeting, I would like to request everyone to open their cameras for a quick picture taking. And also this will be our form of taking attendance. Okay, so I will take the photo of the first page. So everyone, if you can open your cameras, that would be great po. Okay, I will take the photo now in 3, 2, 1. Second page. Okay, ready? I will take the photo in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, everyone. Thank you again for attending the Quiz B information session, and we hope to see you on the event dates on March 23 and 24. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you.